Hello, first grade, and happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend, and I'm so excited to be spending this time with you today. Today is Monday, which means it is Growth Mindset Monday. And the past several Mondays, we have been learning different ways to grow our brains, to exercise our brains, to make those connections so that our brains grow. Okay, so last week, if you remember, we learned that we are perseverance heroes. We have it inside ourselves. We have that power inside of us to keep trying and to persevere and to never give up. Well, today I'm going to tell you another cool trick to help grow your beautiful brains. And let me tell you that. Come closer, closer, closer. Okay, here's what you need to do. You need to ask questions. Yes, ask questions, friends. It is okay to ask questions if you're confused about something, if you want to learn more about something and you're just interested in it. Ask questions. Never stop asking questions, okay? And remember, this is kind of like what we do in reading workshop with Miss Brown. We can ask who, so who are we learning about? Who are we talking about? Things like that. What? What are we talking about? What are we learning about? What are we confused about? What do we want to learn more about? When? When did something take place? Okay, we were learning about the very first Thanksgiving, so you may have a question. When did this take place, Miss Rudolph? Okay, where? Where are these things happening? I'm confused about where these things are happening, so I want to ask a question. So let's see, we got who, what, when, where, and why. Why did these things happen, Miss Rudolph? So you can take what you are learning in reading workshop, asking those who, what, when, where, and why questions, and you can apply that to any other questions that you have in everyday life. But I want to encourage you, never stop asking questions. Never, ever, ever do that. If you love something and you want to learn more about it, ask questions. If you're confused about something and you need help, ask for help and ask questions that'll help you understand what you are learning. If you just want to have a conversation with somebody and you are wondering why they said that, ask those questions. Just remember to do it in a polite and kind way, but never stop asking questions, friends, because when you ask questions, you are exercising your brains because you are trying new things. You are trying hard things. You are making connections when you ask questions because then hopefully you get an answer that answers your question and you're making those connections in your brain and your brain is growing. Okay? So you're exercising your brain, you're making connections, you're just learning so much when you ask questions. So I just want to encourage you. Take this world. This world is big, but it is your world. And I want to make sure that I encourage you to always ask questions about everything in this world that you are surrounded by. That way you truly understand it, and that way you can truly enjoy it. Okay, friends, so now what you are going to do is you are going to make a video or a voice recording telling me what you learned today in growth mindset and why it's important to keep asking questions. So don't stop asking questions. I love you guys. See you later.